What is going on, you guys? Today we're going to be making another video, tutorial. So if you guys ever wanted to know, I'm going to do something. If you guys, if you guys ever wanted to know, how to make the Bongo cat, whatever he is, I can show you. Right now, mine has the pen, but you can have it as having a mouse. Not too hard. But right now it's as a pen and it ain't working too well right now, but it will work when you guys do it, trust me. So here is sort of my final version. I have a background, but it's not popping up right now. This won't happen to you guys. I messed up something with my trying to do some stupid editing. It's my fault, but there will be a mouse pad on the other hand, and you can change the keybinds of what your cat will be clicking. So I'll show you how to get this and how to get a wallpaper and alright, so the first thing you want to do, well, actually, let me change it back to the other scene. Oh wait, okay, so now you guys see it again on my talk screen as my stream, but I'll show you how to get that. So first thing you have to do is open up your browser, and once you're on the browser, go to Bongo Cat download. Okay, so once you're on Bongo Cat download, it should be how to get and set up Bongo Cat Cam, not this one or this one or this one. They show you how, but they're low YouTubers, and they make less sense, so this one's more reliable. So when you click on this video, by the way, this is PC only, and how to get Bongo Cat for OBS, I should have said that at the beginning, but OBS Studio, how to get Bongo Cat in your streams. So first thing you do is you go to the fourth one for Bongo Cat download. You go down, it should be Snow Edits, whoever the heck that is, shout out to you. Then go to the thing right here, yeah. So once you go to that, it will end up downloading something right away. Then once that downloads, you go to your files. You go to your files, and when you go to your files, it should come up with a V2. So put that V2 into a new folder, as I did, and this will pop up when you put it in a new folder. First thing you want to do is go into your settings and put the mouse to true. So since mine's not a mouse right now, I should just reset it and put your keys. You can't do more than one, or you can't do more than two. You can only do two or maybe one. I don't know. Probably just stick with two. So let's see. So I'll put mine. Remember to put it uppercase W and uppercase S. Once you do that, you just go over here, and it'll ask you if you want to save. Just hit save. By the way, that was in your settings. So then, if you want to know how to get the background, see right now mine has a background and a mouse. I can show you how to do that. So if you want a background, this is what you want to click on. So pull your file somewhere else, or close it if you don't have two monitors. I would just put it somewhere else, like my other monitor. Open up the browser. Go to pixlr.com, like that, spelled like that, Pixlr with no E. Just go to the Playful Pixlr X. Once you're on here, I already had it because I've already done it, but open image and go to the file that you have your thing in. Hold on. I need to go to this. Yeah, this is, by the way, this is just all my videos. Okay, once you have your file open for your thing, just hit the mouse BG. Mine's already edited, but yeah, hit mouse BG, and then you can close this if you want to. Then this will pop up. It won't have the background already, but and the mouse, but it will have like pixels and where you can put your background. So once you have that, just go to a new tab, search up like sky background. When you have found a nice sky background, and not Shy Guy, I meant to say sky background. Once you look up sky background, you should you can find one of these, and then you just hit save image as. Put it into whatever folder you want, or you can find it again. Go back here, and then go to add image. Go to browse, and go to where you put your image. I put mine in videos because that is, yeah, it's just where it was. And then hit add current. Once you've done this, you obviously can't see Bongo Cat. I'm going to delete this one because I don't want to use that one anymore. Oh, whoops. Yeah, I gotta get this back. Okay, so you can't see Bongo Cat, but trust me, he's under there. See? Wait. He's under there. He's all good. You can put it as how you want it, how Bongo Cat would see it. So like that, like maybe just like that. And then just go over here. Make sure these are on unlocked and visible. And hold on. You're actually supposed to be on Bongo Cat when you get this thing. So yeah, make sure you're on Bongo Cat because that's what I just did. Okay. Now go over here. I'm trying to hit locked and hidden. Oh, I see it. This one's locked. I am so sorry to you guys, but for some reason it's not wanting to work. I just did it like 4 seconds ago and it's just not working. So, but for some reason, if it's not working like mine is, I would just try a new image. So I have a yeah, that should work if you just have a new image and do the same thing again, and you should come up with this Bongo Cat on the right. I need to do some little editing because mine is not the right one anymore, but hopefully this helped how to get Bongo Cat in your streams. If it didn't, which it could not, because I for some reason messed up with mine, like what wallpaper I use. You should just use something more basic and not more like you can use this, for instance. You can use whatever background you want. Sky is cool, but if you guys want to see more tutorials, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, or make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below if this was helpful, and I'll see you guys in another video. Goodbye.